everyone, I'm Stevie with Griot's Garage, and today we're going to talk about our family of car dusters. These handy tools are a trusted, classic way to keep dust off your prized ride. We have 3 great car dusters, 2 of which are made with microfiber and 1 made with cotton. Our microfiber duster features thick, ultra-soft tendrils that gently lift light dust from your vehicle's most sensitive surface, the paint, as well as glass, chrome, and trim. This duster's 14.5-inch head gives you plenty of surface area to work with, and its 26-inch total length extends your reach, making it that much faster and easier to clean your ride. For boosted performance, you can mist some speed shine onto your duster, enhancing its ability to lift dust effortlessly. We also offer a Microfiber Mini duster. Its smaller 7.5-inch head and 13.5-inch total length make it so much more agile than traditionally sized dusters. This duster is perfect for use inside your car, and you can boost the efficiency by misting the tendrils with interior detailer. Microfiber dusters excel on delicate paint surfaces and light dust buildup. Both of our microfiber dusters feature machine washable microfiber, so you'll enjoy years of carefree dusting. Our cotton car duster boosts your detailing efforts even more. It features soft fibers infused with high-quality paraffin wax that pick up dust and pollen like a magnet, trapping it within the fibers. The cotton has a thick, plush pile which increases this tool's dust-holding capabilities and safety. Much like the length of our microfiber duster, this duster's 14.5-inch head and 24.5-inch total length help you reach further with less effort. Some cars seem to go out of their way to attract dust. Our dusters are great for these problem child cars and any car that's garage kept, regularly covered, or washed and detailed regularly but gets dusty with normal driving. Please keep in mind that dusters have limits, so anytime you have heavy dust or are questioning what to use, it's best to reach for speed shine or best to show detailer and a soft microfiber towel. Thank you for watching. For more information on dusters we featured here, be sure to visit griotsgarage.com. And as always, have fun in your garage.